Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today here we're gonna do the burping challenge. Well, look, he has 2 weeks. We have so this is my first video challenge. So let's do this. Round 1. The winner gets to start the person in the race, and the loser has to comment in the section below. What should we do? Okay. Round 1. Okay, round 2. Wait, hold on. I don't have the word. Get more. I already did mine. 3, 2, 1. I guess I won them. No. Comment in the section below who won. Sophia, you have to get in the camera. Bro, we can't use the soda no more. Expired. We need to get more soda. So peace. What? Okay. Sophia didn't want to do it, so that's bad. No. Yeah, I hate this. Yeah, I hate this. Yeah. So get out of this way. Yeah. Hey. Pow. What? Me take a video. On that? No, I'm not gonna play. For cartoon. No. Okay, guys. Comment in the section below. What other challenge should we do? So I'm gonna see you next video. Peace.